The Celebrity Blue Chip Club has dropped the August 2026 instant certificate offers, and we're here to talk about them today. If this is your first time here, hi, I'm James with Sea Days and Sunsets, and together with my wife Kimberly, we bring you the best of travel, cruising, and a whole lot of gambling along the way. But while we haven't seen anything new about what's going to happen after August 1st with the Blue Chip program, we're all waiting, holding our breaths, trying to find out if there are going to be any changes similar to what Royal Caribbean has made. Unfortunately, today I don't have anything new for you in that realm, but I do have the instant certificates converted to a spreadsheet for you to be able to sort and filter with. So let's jump over and start talking about what that means. If you got here any other way, uh, you probably linked directly to the spreadsheet and are coming to this video to find out how to use it. If you're coming straight to the video, then you found in the description, you can see in the description a link to open up the spreadsheet here. And what this spreadsheet is we're going to jump into the converted options in a moment, but it took the original PDF that Celebrity puts out. So if you went to the casino host desk and you scanned in their PDF, they have a thing called a QR code there on the desk. You would jump in and you would go directly to this PDF. And then if you were going to try to find out what if I got 2,000 points, what cruises could I look at, you can click through here and take a look at this information. But what we've done here is we've taken this information and converted it into a spreadsheet format for you. The biggest, most important thing though right now is this is a read-only spreadsheet, meaning that we can't all make changes to the spreadsheet at the same time. So you've got a couple options on how to work with this spreadsheet. Two of them are pretty straightforward and easy. You can come over, you can download this as an Excel document and work with it from there. You can also make a copy of it, which will download it to your personal Google account on your Google Drive, and then you can work with it from there. Or the third option that we're going to work with, if we jump over at the bottom of the page here, you'll see the Offers tab. And this will show you all of the offers that have been converted from each of those PDF files that we were just talking about. But our third option is we can work with this on the website here, and I can click the data menu item and create a filter view here. This creates a personal filter view for me. If I leave and come back, if I refresh the page, anything like that, it does go away. But for right now, I can sort and filter this information any way I like. And we'll go through a couple of my favorite examples of the offerings for this month and make sure that everyone knows how to sort and filter. For people who've been here before, I know I go over this every month, but you can't believe the number of questions I get about it every month. So we're going to jump out and start with the number one thing I do anytime I come into the spreadsheet is Kimberly and I travel together, and we are always looking for the 2 guest offers so that we don't have to pay anything extra besides the port fees and taxes. So I drop out the 1 guest offers, which are those that are called the BOGO offers, where you get to travel free as the person who won the certificate, but you do have to have a paying guest to go along with that. But if you're going to cruise solo, or if you're cruising with one other guest, choose the 2 guest offers, and this will allow you to cruise for only those port fees and taxes. You just pay the port fees and taxes for yourself if you're solo, or you pay port fees and taxes for the 2 of you if you're going with 2 guests on these offers. So showing some of the other examples, I'll jump into some of my favorite things for the month. And my very favorite one, it comes up a little bit too quickly, but if I come over here and drop everybody out and just choose the 600 point offer, there is an August 31st offering on the Reflection for 600 points. So if you happen to be getting off of a Celebrity cruise early in August, you could hop right back on a 4-night cruise for as little as 600 points. That's one that I just had to call out though. Then the next one I want to cover, we'll go the other side of what Kimberly and I are usually looking at. And we always say we're low rollers. So we're looking at 2,000 points and below. But I'm going to drop this down and you can get some incredible Edge class ship offers here. We've got the Beyond, and these go all the way out into April of next year that you can hop on 7-night cruises for 2,000 points. And then, of course, you're going to get that $150 in free play when you do that also in these. These are all interior offers for that, but they are on the Edge class ships. So that's another one that really, these, I'll probably go over these almost every month because they are my favorite. For what I'm looking at now, Kimberly and I still haven't been on an Edge class ship. We are getting to do it later this year and we're just waiting and so exciting. So please let me know if there's anything in the comments, if there's something we should look at on the Edge class ship or something that you really love when you go on these. And as long as I'm bringing up the comments, if this is your first time here, or if you just haven't done it yet, please make sure to subscribe. A like is always appreciated, but subscribe so you get notifications about these as I put them out each month and you know when the offers are being released. The next one I wanted to cover is, let's see, we have a great silhouette offer for 1,200 points. And let me remove the classes. We have some fun ones here, and the one that I had flagged was the silhouette for 500 points, or I'm sorry, 1,200 points on December 5th. Another good one there. That's an 8-day offering that's going to get you down into the Southern Caribbean. So this is your longest option here. If you've got some bandwidth in early December, you can hop on an 8-day cruise for 1,200 points. And that one just dumbfounds me as to how nice that is. Another one that's out here is under our 800 point offers. We have the Summit. If you were looking at a potential, let's see, there you go. If you were looking at an Alaska cruise, if you had a last minute opportunity to get up to Alaska here for 800 points, you can jump on a 7-night cruise. So these, these are could not excite me anymore as far as the offers I've been getting from celebrities since our earlier 2 cruises this year when I made Amethyst. And now these offers as they're coming out, it's not going to be till later in the year that I get back on a celebrity ship, but these are really exciting for a person who does a lot of Royal Caribbean cruises. Seeing what celebrity is putting out right now for us is something that I'm in a bit of awe for right now. Let's jump over and we will take a look down here at the bottom. We've got a couple extra tabs, which is our summary. And we can see the roll-ups of how this breaks down at the different levels. You can see at 3,000 points is when all the 1 guest offers go away and it becomes all 2 guest offers for you. And then before that, it does skew towards the 1 guest offer side, but definitely as you're getting close to that 2,000 point level, they're balancing out quite a bit. So just wanted to throw a couple of those out for you. But of course, the big one that I always go for is which level can I go on the different level ships? And if you want to start at the Edge level, it is going to be that 2,000 point offer. And we did go over a couple of those, but there are a lot of Edge ships, 26 offers at that 2,000 points. Then below that, for everything 1,500 and below, you can get on, all of them have for 2 guest offers, the Solstice class and the Millennium class. I guess there's none for Millennium at that 600 point level because there was only one offer at the 600 point as we took a look at there and everything. So as we go through these, let me know in the comments if there's one that you're looking at or if something's changed that has you more or less excited as the celebrity offers come out. We're getting more and more into these, and I've been doing these for a few months now, and we're getting some good reactions, and I'm getting some good messages out there about what people are looking at. But please let me know, like and subscribe if you haven't already, And I hope you have the best of luck in August in the casino. Thanks. Bye.